Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear Turkish brothers and sisters, I just want to talk a little bit about my Turkish visits sometime, what I see and what I know a little bit about Turkey and about Turkey politics, about Turkey's standing in the world, and President Tayyip Erdogan's performance as a great leader in Turkey. Whenever I visit Turkey, I see the developments. I see the tourism industry. I see those cities booming. I really impressed and I really appreciate. And I see the difference between a great leadership and a less, a evil or corrupt leadership. Luckily, Turkey got great, sincere, patriotic leadership. I really admire. And I saw how a good leadership can improve country like that. How Mr. Tayyip proved himself a star in the world stage and especially in Muslim world. Remember, vast majority of world population likes his standing against injustice anywhere in the world. That his great achievement to have great relations with every country in the world. His great achievement to strengthen the institutions to high level in Turkey. Free and fair election is a great example. Many countries, they don't have that kind of free and fair elections. So many problems countries are facing. So my Turkish brothers and sisters, we all should appreciate the Turkish leadership. His performance for the country is really worth admiring. Now, in this election, common sense should prevail and will prevail. And Mr. Tayyip will get another chance to serve the country. Right now, need to pay attention to geopolitics to make common sense decisions. Who can face and deal with all those challenges every country is facing, and especially Turkey is facing, surrounded by those type of countries. So Mr. Tayyip Erdogan's leadership is a huge help, huge support, not only for Turkey, for whole Muslim world. My dear Turkish brothers and sisters, Mr. Tayyip is the right leader. Forget about economic challenges, economic problems. The whole world is facing economic problems. And also people say, oh, he didn't do enough in that earthquake situation. My dear Turkish brothers and sisters, disaster like that, no one really can do perfectly. Even the world's superpowers cannot do enough to solve those to help or solve, to restore regular life in those kind of disasters. Nobody is perfect, but overall, my dear, that kind of natural disaster, not easy to handle, not easy to handle. People also talk about inflation and high prices in the markets. My dear, that inflation and everything going expensive is worldwide. It's not only in Turkey. So these little bit things we should just ignore. That's for time being. That problem will be over eventually and life will be normal worldwide. So need to think right now. This is the time to support President Tayyip to have non-stop stability in the country. All of you get together and make common sense decision to support him and defeat the losers. Long live Turkey, long live President Tayyip Erdogan. Until next time.